you took the air off, huh?
Yeah. Manifold for 283, weren't they?
Well, I had two different kind of manifolds on it.
Did you?
Yeah, usually you put that early 283 or 265 on the left side to get around that steering box.
Yeah.
So you put the outlet more toward the...
Is that a GT Hawk dash that you got in this?
Yeah, it's a GT Hawk. I see you still got the same
I put in that 160 mile an hour speedometer, and
so you got the same switches. You got the same combination I had, or is that on?
That's the starting. Well, yeah, that's on starting.
Mine was down, up, down, down originally. They probably changed it a little bit.
Oh, he changed it then because it's the middle. Well, that interior. I wish I would have gotten it finished, and I wanted to take it to that Barrett Jackson auction a couple of years ago.
Recording?
Yeah.
You can pan around the cars too if you want. Enough of me.
You got enough of you?
How's your air conditioning work?